Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to enter BIOS from Windows using CMD. No key press needed. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type shutdown space, -R space, -F space, -FW space, -T space, 00. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.